Hi guys, now what we're gonna do for Azure Lab of the 100 Days of Cloud series. So today is day 39. The title is Deploying a Static Website Using Containers on Azure. Alright, so let me click the start button. tfdraw.com. So this is from the previous lab. So for Azure Lab, we have to wait around 2 minutes. Okay, great. So let me copy first. Okay, now we read the given instruction. Here, the notorious DevOps team has been tasked with creating an internet information portal for public access. So as part of this project, they need to host a static website on Azure using an Azure Storage Account. So the storage account must be configured for public access and to allow external users to access the static website directly via the Azure Storage URL. Okay, great. So you can understand like this. This is the Azure cloud. So okay, so we have to create the storage account right here. So this is storage account. So create Azure storage account. So account name is this. So we have to create this storage account in an existing resource group. So this is storage account name. So let me check the resource group name is subgroup list. Oh, sorry. Not 2 times. Okay, great. So, okay, we get the resource group name right here. So, we have to configure the storage account for static website hosting with index.html as the index document. So, allow public access to the static website so that the website is publicly accessible. So now, we have to upload the index.html file from the root directory of the Azure client host. So now currently we are on the Azure client host, right? So okay, let me show like this. So this is our Azure client host. Let me change all of this color into the blue color. Okay, so this is the client host. CLIN, the client host. So within this, on this client host, we have the, let me make it a bit more. Okay, we have this index.html file within this root directory. You can check with ls-la root. Okay, so you will see that here, index.html. So if you like to read the inner content, you can read with the cat and root. Okay, so here the inner content is HTML tag and body tag and h1 tag. Welcome to KKE Labs. Great. So we have to upload this index.html file to the Azure Storage Account. So account web container. So within the storage account, we will have the web container. So okay, so this is the web container. So this is a web container. within the storage account. So this is the this is a storage account. Okay, great. So we have the so on the client host we have this index.html file. So we have to upload that index.html file to the Azure Storage Account to a specific container. So the direction is like this. So we have to upload like this. Great. So verifying that the website is accessible directly through the Azure Storage step-dev website URL. So okay. So I will copy this sentence and let me find the Google. So when I find like this, and also I will add this second sentence. And make public access. So here we have to write this comment. We have to apply this comment. Okay, so first of all, we create Azure account, storage account. So storage account name is here, data center web st24809. So I give the specific name. So here we have to replace with the Azure resource group name. So Azure resource group name is right here. I will replace that. So I will wait. Let me paste resource group name right here. Okay, great. So I will replace, and then location is we can get East US, right? So here is US. So EAST is US. Now I will run this comment. So here allow blob public access is true because it has to be public, right? So okay, I will run this comment. Kind storage version 2, asking you type it as standard LRS. That's fine. So now let me run this command. And after that, we have to configure the step-dev website hosting. Okay, so we successfully create a storage account. So now let me run this command to configure the step-dev website hosting. So okay, so I will run this. So account name is the same. So here we do storage blob service properties update. Here step-dev website is, I will give the same name, index.html. So okay, great. Okay, that's great. So now we allow the public access to the step-dev website so that the website is publicly accessible. So same we create the storage account, we already give this permission. That's great. So now we will upload the index.html file from this root directory of the Azure client host to the storage account web container. So I will copy this sentence. So let me ask here again, So here I don't ask in a new tab, right? So here I will run this comment to upload the file. So here Azure Storage blob and upload, and then we need to get specific account name, correct account name. So account names we don't need to change right here. So here we need to give the container name. So container name is right here, $sign and web. So now our source find directory path is right here. Find path is /root index.html. So name is index.html. So now we will run this. Okay, so we successfully finished for this step 4. So now let me verify that website is accessible using Azure Storage website website URL. So okay, so how do we get the Azure website URL? So how to get let me copy this whole sentence. So I will run this command to get the website URL. So now I will run this. So this is website URL. So after getting website URL, we have to test the accessibility, right? So using this command, so I will run with the curl. So here this is with the HTTPS. Great. So let me run this. So you will see this welcome to KKE Labs right here. So if you want to try in a new tab in the browser, you can find like this. So here, welcome to KKE Labs. So yeah, that's it. So the key point is just follow step by step. So the first thing is we create Azure Storage Account. So within a storage account, we have to do some configurations, for this public access to the step-dev website. So that's why we give this value when we create the Azure Storage Account. So this is very important. You shouldn't forget this argument and value. Here you can get any kind, maybe storage version 1, that's fine. But here you can get location is US, that's fine. Okay, so and then another key point is we had to configure storage account for step-dev website. So for that part, we had to run this command to configure step-dev website hosting to enable the hosting feature. So you shouldn't forget this. So finally, we upload the index.html file from that Azure client host to the storage account. Here, we shouldn't forget this argument and value for the container name. So here we have to get a correct container name. So here we also need to get the index.html file name. Okay, great. So finally, let me check it out. So it will be successful. I hope so, like that. So finally, you will see within this container this index.html. Yeah, so we successfully complete the challenge. So if I can do it, you can also do it too. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next coming video again. Peace out.